Hi, welcome back to the workshop. This is a really quick video to address some questions I've been getting about the fact that I would have appeared to have replaced my Mitre Saw with a Radial Arm Saw. Totally not the case, even though I'm stood beside the Radial Arm Saw. If you've been following my channel, then you'll probably have seen my quick video about boxing up my Mitre Saw to send it back to Festool, because there was a recall on models released between 2007, 2008 and 2010, of which mine was one of those. And they had to go back because there was an overheat issue with them. But as I said, that was 3 months ago. I didn't expect it to take 3 months. I know COVID's been there and Brexit's been there and the end of the customs agreement, blah 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 blah. Anyway, 3 months without my Mitre Saw. This Radial Arm Saw has been in storage for quite a number of years. I bought this 8 years ago, 9 years ago, but decided a long time ago that I didn't have the room for it in the workshop and I was just going to use the Mitre Saw. Well, now that the Mitre Saw is gone, I thought I'd bring this back out of storage. Plus the fact the storage facility I had it in is not going to be available to me for much longer. So why not utilise this space and this bit of kit to get that cross saw ability back, Mitre Saw ability back, with a piece of equipment that I've already got. So it's not a replacement, it's a temporary infill. I didn't know how long my Mitre Saw was going to be away. I had a temporary fence on it that you saw in the last video. I've just made a new fence for it and I've got a delivery that's arrived today, a nice piece of T-track and some flip stops to go on the back. So I'm now all set to use my Radial Arm Saw, and I get an email from Festool this morning to say my Mitre Saw will arrive back with me in 2 days' time. So what am I to do? That took a bit of time, getting back up and running again. I had to get a new blade for it. I had to order some replacement adjustment nuts so I could level the bed. As I've said, I've had to make a new fence, ordered some T-track. So I'm not going to rip it out just because the Mitre Saw's back. I'm going to keep this in situ for a while and I'm going to use it in the workshop now that other tools in my workshop have changed, and I want to prove to myself one way or another whether it's still a useful piece of equipment, a worthwhile piece of equipment to occupy a big space in my workshop when I've got other facilities available to me. So in due course I will release a video on whether I think there's a place in the workshop for a Radial Arm Saw, in today's workshop for a Radial Arm Saw. So if you'd like to see that video and any other videos that I release, then please do hit that subscribe button and click on the little bell so you get told. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Ta-ra.